Everything looks great, really nice. And at 18 inches tall, you can see a lot of space underneath. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Olee Sleep Heavy Duty Steel Bed Frame. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box in packaging right here with our product information on it. This is available in multiple sizes. We have twin, full, queen, king, and California king sizes. And this is the 18-inch version. They also have steel bed frames in 14 and 16-inch versions as well. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents, check it out. You can see all of the framing right here, all the different parts and pieces that we have. We have our registration information, we have all of our hardware and tools included, and you can see we have our parts list on this side of the instructions. Then we can flip it over to the back side and you can see the full assembly instructions right here. Now let's go ahead, let's get this assembled. All right, so first up you can see we laid out all the pieces and how we're going to assemble them right here. So pay attention, this is gonna be the front or top of the bed, whatever you wanna call it, where you could mount a headboard to in the future. So pay attention, we have two pieces that have those three cutouts on the bottom. Those are gonna be the pieces that you're gonna want at the top. And you can see how those look. Then we have the rest of our support coming down through here. And then here's our foot of the bed. And you can see how those pieces look and how we have them laid out. So now we're going to follow step one. You can see we're going to connect these pieces together. So we're going to be using the eye bolts right here. There's only two of them and they're the longest bolts in the kit that's provided. So you're going to slide it through, line it up through both holes. And then you're going to take this nut and tighten it down on the other side. So there we go. There's the finished step. And I went ahead and I did the other one down here. Next step is to unfold all the additional support pieces and line them up so you can see how we have everything right here and we're ready for the next step. Now we're going to be connecting everything together following the diagram and chart right there. And you can see all the parts and pieces that we're going to need. So for this step, you can see the bolts we're going to use. There's 12 of them. So 2 are going to go right here, 1 on each side. 2 are going to go through the back side of that support to connect. And 2 more on this side you can see along the back that we have to tighten down. And then repeat that on the other side to get the frame assembled in this step. So here's everything assembled at this point. Again, those 12 bolts that you have. 2 there. 2 on that corner, 2 right there for the center support, 2 more right here. Then you can see 2 on each corner there. Gets us to 12, and this is what it should look like. Now you can see for our next step right here, we're going to identify the 4 pieces that have holes, and you can see they have red stickers on them that are going to match the red here and the red stickers there. We're going to take our 8 remaining bolts. You'll have 8 of these with our 8 nuts. And we're going to gently place them on and fasten them in place. All right, so there you go. You can see we have all 4 installed and they're tightened down in place. Now we're ready for the last step. We're going to put all the remaining slats on the bed frame. All right, there we go. You can see the completed and fully assembled bed frame right here. Check it out. Everything looks great, really nice. Happy with how everything turned out. And at 18 inches tall, you can see a lot of space underneath. Now let's go ahead, let's get our mattress on it. Now you can see what it looks like with our mattress installed in the bed frame. Everything looks great. It fits as you would expect. It's a standard size and it's a standard frame. And now you can see all that underneath storage we have with this bed frame. So now we're left with 2 simple questions. Why would you buy this bed frame and why wouldn't you buy this bed frame? So first up, you would buy this bed frame because it's very affordable and budget friendly for a nice, simple to set up and install steel bed frame. And it gives you a lot of height. So again, there's multiple height options, but with the 18-inch version, you have a lot of room underneath, and it also helps your bed sit a little bit higher, especially if you're not going to be using a box spring. Now, why wouldn't you buy this bed frame? You wouldn't buy this bed frame because you want something that has a headboard already included, or maybe it's too tall for you. But again, there are smaller height options available depending on your preferences. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.